Hi guys. Today I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of AI-generated 3D meshes. While AI tools can speed up your workflow and give you a solid base, the results often come with bad topology, broken edge flow, and poor detail up close. If you're aiming for game-ready assets, you'll still need a lot of manual cleanup and optimization to get production-quality results. While AI-generated meshes might look impressive at first glance, they don't hold up well under scrutiny. In real-time engines or cinematic scenes, where clean surface detail is critical, these models often fall short. They're generally unsuitable for long-term projects or AAA-level assets where precision, optimization, and reusability are key. But don't get the wrong idea. AI-generated meshes aren't the enemy. In fact, they can be incredibly useful when used the right way. The key is to understand their limitations and develop the right techniques to clean, optimize, and refine them. When used wisely, AI can speed up your workflow by tenfold, giving you a fast starting point that you can build on, especially for concepting, prototyping, or even background filler assets. So instead of avoiding AI meshes, we should learn how to harness their strengths while compensating for their weaknesses. Now I'm going to generate a 3D model using Tripo AI, which, in my experience, delivers some of the best results for the kind of work I do. It gives me a solid base mesh that fits my needs well. I've opened the model in Blender for a closer inspection, and right away you can see a few major issues. First, the UVs aren't laid out in a way that makes sense from a human artist's perspective. They're often messy, overlapping, or stretched, which makes texturing a real challenge. Second, even though the mesh is technically low poly, the edge flow is completely off. There's no logical loop structure for deformation, detail control, or clean subdivision. This makes the model difficult for rigging, or if we want to go for complex rigs, hard to edit, and nearly impossible to integrate into a professional pipeline without a lot of cleanup. Design without math is incomplete, and AI-generated meshes are pure mathematics. They can deliver quick results, driven by data and algorithms, but they lack the artistic intent and structural logic that make a mesh truly workable. It's not just about getting a shape, it's about how that shape is built. That's where manual structuring and editing come in. The artistry lies not in how fast you get the mesh, but in how well it's constructed, optimized, and ready to perform in a real-world project. I hope this video gave you some valuable insight into how to utilize AI-generated meshes in your projects and what challenges you might face during planning and production. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate every bit of it.